Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book. Learn AI-Assisted Python Programming, 2nd edition, written by Leo Porter and Daniel Zingaro.
Programming has been limited in the past to professionals with specialized training and advanced skills. Today, AI tools like ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot have made it more accessible than ever, making it possible for anyone to program. Programming can make tasks at work easier and can be an outlet for creativity if you want to do things like designing your own video games. This book will guide you in learning the essential skills to create software in Python, one of the most popular programming languages, by leveraging GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT. We've seen a meteoric shift in the accessibility of writing programs over the years. Decades ago, programming involved writing complex assembly language that was hard to use and understand. Today, almost no one writes code in assembly language, and most professionals write code using high-level languages like Python that are more intuitive. But it still requires a deep understanding of detailed rules about the language. With the advent of generative AI such as GitHub Copilot, you can describe what you want in plain English, and the AI will generate the corresponding Python code. This streamlines the coding process, reducing the need for memorizing rules of the language and constant internet searches. However, Copilot can make mistakes, which means you will need to learn skills like code reading, code testing, and problem decomposition to ensure Copilot gives you your desired result. Traditionally, learning to program involved mastering syntax, which could take weeks or months. Copilot accelerates this by generating syntactically correct code from the start, allowing learners to focus on solving meaningful problems. Copilot can explain code, make it easier to understand, fix bugs, interpret errors, and find relevant Python libraries. These capabilities streamline development and make programming more accessible. While Copilot offers many benefits, it also has risks. Issues such as copyright concerns, impact on education, code quality, and security must be addressed. Copilot's reliance on existing code for training raises questions about ownership and licensing. Careful oversight is required to ensure the generated code is correct and secure. Despite Copilot's capabilities, human skills remain essential. Users should verify AI's output, break down complex tasks, thoroughly test code, and debug when necessary. Prompt engineering, or crafting precise instructions for the AI, is also crucial. The rise of AI code assistants raises questions about the future of programming jobs, human creativity, and the broader impact on various industries. While these tools may change the nature of programming work, they are unlikely to eliminate jobs. Instead, they enable programmers to tackle more complex problems. The long-term effects of AI in programming and other fields remain uncertain, but staying informed and adaptable will be the key. In the following chapter, we will walk you through the setup of Copilot on your computer so you can begin writing software with the help of this powerful AI assistant.
Get this book at Manning.com